Hi, my name is Matt Bates, and for my demo lesson, I'm going to demo the strategy of a novel in an hour. Now, there's two reasons, other than the standards, which I'll be going over in a minute, that I believe that the novel in an hour strategy can be very effective. One, it allows teachers to cover more reading material, and also it potentially generates interest in students to read the entire novel on their own later. So the standards. For the first one, we have determine two or more themes or central ideas of a text and analyze their development over the course of the text, including how they interact and build on one another to produce a complex account. Provide an objective summary of the text. So students will learn to distill the main ideas of their section of the novel and provide a concise summary. And then we have present information, findings, and supporting evidence, conveying a clear and distinct perspective, such as that listeners can follow the line of reasoning, alternative or opposing perspectives are addressed, and the organization, development, substance, and style are appropriate to purpose, audience, and a range of formal and informal tasks. So students will learn to effectively present the summary of their section of the novel. And the last standard, work with peers to promote civil democratic discussions and decision-making, set clear goals and deadlines, and establish individual roles as needed. Now, this standard would only come into play if the class is broken down into small groups and each group is given a section of the novel to read and present to the class. The novel in an hour strategy can also be effective if each individual student reads and presents their own section. And for the purpose of this demo, that will be our approach. Now, these are the experts that support this lesson plan. I've read a couple articles on this strategy. John Childrade Jr. of Florida Atlantic University wrote an article describing it in 1980. And Liz Becker, under the internet handle Elsbeth, blogged about it in 2009 on her website allwhowonder.wordpress.com. In the blog, she also references the work of Cyrus F. Smith Jr., Lana Daly, and Dr. Lendell Calder. So, what I would like you to do is to click on the second link in the Demo Lessons module folder that I posted and read the first chapter of Kurt Vonnegut's Slaughterhouse-Five. The way that this would work in the classroom is that each student or small group of students would receive a small section of the novel, read it, and develop a presentation for that section. Then the class would present the sections in order. The students should be encouraged to get creative with their presentation. Skits would work great, or posters, cartoons, PowerPoint presentations would also work as well. Anything that effectively communicates the section's main ideas or theme and engages the listener would be really the best way to go. So please pause the video now, read the excerpt, and as you do, think about what kind of presentation you would like to make. Thank you very much. I hope that you enjoyed reading the excerpt. I think it is a great book and a good chapter to use for this demo because a presentation of it could go in so many different directions. I'm interested in reading about what form your presentation would take, as well as any feedback or suggestions you have for me. Have a great day.